Okay, y'all, so this is the pineapple. This is a huge glass, so all I need is just that much. Hey y'all! I feel like I haven't done a haul in forever. Okay, y'all, this is the fifth look, last and final. Last but not least, this is the last look of the house. Hey y'all! Oh my goodness, we're one subscriber away from 1K. I know we're gonna hit 1K today. Hey y'all! Oh my god! I'm so happy! Oh my goodness, y'all. Tears of joy. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful for y'all. Thank y'all so much. We reached 1K, 1,000 subscribers. Yay! I wish I had confetti and all that. Hey y'all. Yes, I'm back with another haul. And I'm trying a company that I never tried before. Yes, I'm trying Savage X Fenty by Rihanna, however you want to pronounce her name. Hey y'all. Oh, I'm so happy. My first pool day. Hey y'all. So Firmoo sent your girl over some more glasses. So y'all know I've collabed with them before, and I was sent 2 pair last time. I was sent 1 pair this time, and y'all know I love their packaging. So Firmoo have affordable, stylish glasses for those who wear prescription and non-prescription. You get the coupons and everything. That's what this is. So don't worry. Even though they're affordable, they did give me a coupon code, so y'all can get 50% off of your Firmoo glasses. But look at the little protection bag. So pretty. So I'm going to have a link in the description, and somewhere around here, I'm going to have the code to get your 50% off of your order. And also, I'm going to have it in the description, the type of glasses I chose, and the code as well to get 50% off. So make sure y'all click the link first, copy the code, click the link, and then the link will take you to the website. And then you'll paste the code inside, paste the coupon code when you're ready to check out where it says promo code. You're going to paste that to get your 50% off. But make sure y'all click my link so your girl can get her coin. But this is the ones that I chose, and they're similar to the one of the pairs that I had last time. Y'all know I love color, so I got some colorful ones. But look at the detail. Look at the cute little hearts on each side. And then y'all know I have lots of cats. I'm a cat mom, so I have they have paws on the side. I didn't even know that with the ones I chose. I don't know if they added that extra detail for me, but it has paws on us. But when you make your purchase, make sure you follow those steps that I told you. But let's try them on. And y'all know I don't wear prescription, so I just got regular. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. They're so cute. Every time when I try on Firmoo glasses, I just feel so sophisticated. They're so cute. They have the cutest glasses. You can change the frames, the tint. You can switch them out. You can just you're basically making your own glasses. They're so cute. Because even when I chose, they hooked me up and did a little different thing. They was like, this will look better. And it does. This is so cute. I just love the way I look. I look totally different with these glasses on. So I like wearing these when I'm on my way to work. They're really cute. Interview, so cute. I just look so sophisticated. That's all I can say. I look intelligent. I am intelligent, but it makes you look more intelligent and sophisticated. They're really cute. So make sure y'all check Firmoo out. Firmoo, thank you once again for sending your girl some glasses, thinking about me, because I love the collab that we did before, and I hope to work with you all in the future. So once again, make sure y'all click that link, follow the steps. The easiest way is to copy a code. Y'all can copy the code from my description box. Make sure y'all check the description box. I always tell y'all to check the description box. Make sure y'all check the description box. That way y'all can copy the code, click the link, follow the steps. The link will take you to the website. You're going to copy that code. Once you're ready to check out, paste that code into the promo part. Or if you want to make it hard on yourself, you can go back out the website, but I wouldn't recommend doing that. I would recommend you just copying that code or write it down. If you don't know how to copy and paste, just write the code down. But anywho, thanks again, Firmoo. If y'all like this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so one else can see that Firmoo sent your girl some more stylish, affordable glasses. Leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you ever shop with Firmoo or if you're going to shop with Firmoo. Till next time, love you guys. Y'all. Bye, my fashion dolls and guys. Bye, y'all. Bye. Hey y'all, give it a swirl, give it a swirl, give it a swirl, give it a swirl. Because it's too stinking cute, and it's too stinking cute, and it's too stinking cute, because it's too stinking cute.